everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm about to show you guys how old you have to be to use Roblox Voice Chat. So Roblox Voice Chat is basically an experience that users have while they are communicating via their mic, and there is an age limit for voice chat on Roblox, and we're going to just figure out what age requirement is there to use Roblox voice chat. So here you can see I'll just open up my browser and I just type in Roblox voice chat age limit. So on Roblox help page it says users must be age 13 and Roblox voice enabled, i.e. be phone verified or ID verified. So it says that you must be 13 plus. Basically your age must be 13 or more than 13 to use the Roblox voice chat. You can see who can use Roblox Connect. Users must be age 13 and Roblox voice enabled. Users must also update to the latest version of Roblox in order to use Connect. So it's Connect option that you need to use to use the voice chat on Roblox. And yeah guys, that's it. I think that pretty much covers all of it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and helpful content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.